Robert Shiver, Savannah Chrisley's boyfriend, is the one who submitted a letter to Julie Chrisley's judge, according to Savannah Chrisley's revelation. Following the news that Robert had done this, many were taken aback. The contents of the letter, on the other hand, have been disclosed to the fans. They regarded Robert in a new manner as a result, in a positive or negative way. You can learn more by continuing to read. A hearing for the resentencing of Julie Chrisley. There was a hearing for Julie Chrisley to receive a new sentence a few months ago. The purpose of this was to determine whether or not she may be released from federal jail sooner. It turned out that this was not the case. The judge did not reduce the allowed amount of time. She was given an additional period of probation as part of her sentence. The Chrisley family believes that it is attributable to the fact that they are famous. As far as they are concerned, the judge seemed to have the impression that they were required to demonstrate that celebrities could not get away with anything. Regrettably, Julie is still incarcerated, and her children continue to express their sorrow at her absence. It has come to light that Savannah's boyfriend participated in an effort to secure her early release from jail as well. A letter that Savannah Chrisley's boyfriend wrote to the judge. The relationship between Savannah Chrisley and Robert Shiver has been brought to the attention of the public again. The information that Robert had written a letter to the judge who was in charge of Julie's resentencing hearing has now been disclosed by Savannah. The letter is somewhat lengthy. "Dear Judge Eleanor Ross, well, he said honorable, but I'm going to leave that one out. I believe this letter finds you in good health. I hope this letter finds you well. Regarding Julie Chrisley and the Chrisley family, I am writing this letter on their behalf. My personal experience has shown me that the punishment of Julie has had a significant effect on all three of them. I would want to take a moment to share with you what my experience has been like, in the hopes that you would find it in your heart and in the law to allow Julie's sentence to be shortened." Next, Robert proceeded to discuss Savannah, Grayson, Julie, and Chloe in his conversation. Every single one of them individually, and expressing what Julie means to them, as well as a great deal more how they have battled ever since her arrest. In the process of preparing a letter to the judge who was in charge of Julie's resentencing, it appears that Robert exerted every ounce of effort that he could muster. But unfortunately, it did not work. Instead of receiving a sentence reduction, Julie was given an extension of her probationary period. The situation is not one that Savannah is pleased with, and she will not be for the rest of her life. It is her belief that her parents are not being treated fairly because of the names they have chosen. What are your thoughts on the letter that Robert submitted to you? Were you able to find it to be sweet? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below.